All right, so I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to use this particular food scale. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It's defaulted into grams, so I'm just going to change the unit to measure in ounces. We'll do that with this particular setup. I'm going to use yogurt as an example to measure. We'll measure about 4 ounces, so obviously I need something to put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and put this bowl, and since the bowl does have weight, I will want to go ahead and zero it out so I can get a measurement of the yogurt. All right, now that I have it zeroed out, I'm going to measure about 4 ounces of yogurt. So that's about 3, just about. I'll add a little bit more. All right, and that's close enough. All right, now to this, I want to add about an ounce of blueberries. So I can either leave it like this and just add an ounce, or I could reset it to 0 and just go ahead and start adding my berries. So here we go. There we go. About halfway there. Just a little bit more. All right, I went a little bit over, but that's close. Here's another example. I will measure about 4 ounces of deli turkey. Looks like I went a little over, so if I wanted to be accurate, I would just shave some off. All right, final example, 3 ounces of cooked whole wheat pasta. So here we go, just a little bit more. Almost there. Let's go get a couple of more noodles here. And yep, that's close enough.